Early this week, the Income Tax Department raided actresses Priyanka Chopra and Katrina Kaif's residences, sending shockwaves through the film industry. Bollywood's prominent director Kunal Kohli tweeted, "Film stars get regularly raided. How many politicians have been raided? How many politicians have been convicted in the last 60 years?" So in your opinion, is Bollywood a soft target just to prove a point? Do let us know your opinion. Alright people, it's time for your favorite show now. Yes, we are talking about Bollywood This Week. Hrithik Roshan returns after unveiling his statue at Madame Tussauds, London.
से ज़्यादा makes me very proud of my industry, very proud of my country, very proud that I could give this day to my grandfather who took me first into the Madame Tussauds 25 years ago. तो इनके साथ मैं गया था, मैं बच्चा था.
It was a very heartwarming occasion. I don't think I can say anything more than this. It's all because of him.
No, it's all because of you.
Yes, you have made us proud.
उन्होंने मुझे पूछा था कि where do I wanted place, लेकिन यहाँ वहाँ जब मैंने देखा तो मेरे सारे इतने बड़े बड़े हीरोज़ हैं, मेरे आइकन्स हैं, तो मैंने सजेस्ट किया कि कहीं दूर एक कोने में अगर उसको खड़ा कर दो तो ठीक रहेगा. उन्होंने ज़्यादातर मुझ पर ही छोड़ दी थी कि आप जो चाहो आप कीजिए, लेकिन फिर मैंने नॉट वेरी गुड एट डिसीजन मेकिंग, तो आई लेफ्ट इट टू माय फैंस. तो अपने ट्वीट्स में मैंने भेजा क्वेश्चन कि मुझे बताइए कि कौन सा लुक विल बी बेस्ट फॉर दिस, एंड 95% ऑफ द पीपल चोज आर्यन फ्रॉम धूम.
Top Bollywood celebrities walked for Shabana Azmi's fashion show.
Great experience. It was a wonderful moment. It came and it went, and now I'm back to my life from sunrise to sunset, doing what I do best.
I'm really happy to associate myself with Mijwan Welfare Society, which works for the girl child in Mijwan, Azamgarh, UP. Well, most of us out here, especially the film industry, we surround ourselves with such glamorous setting that we often lose touch of the real world. I'm grateful to Namrata and Shabana auntie for sensitizing me to the needs of the people of our villages, where 80% of our India lives.
मैं कर चुका हूँ ये पहले, तो मेरे लिए कोई नई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, बट ऑफ कोर्स इट्स ऑलवेज ग्रेट कि मूवी इंडस्ट्री के इतने सारे सितारे, जाने माने सितारे हमारे साथ हों, तो इट फील्स ग्रेट. इट्स लाइक अ फैमिली फीलिंग बैक.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मेरे बेटे और बेटी की शादी एक ही दिन हो रही है, क्योंकि इसमें जितनी हमको इन्वॉल्वमेंट करनी पड़ी वो बिल्कुल वैसी थी. मुझे यकीन है कि मिजवा सोनेट्स एंड फैब्रिक का फैशन शो विद द डिफरेंस बहुत 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 बढ़िया और उम्दा शो.
To me, I mean, this is a very important event for Shabana. It's a very important cause for Shabana. Of course, it's very important that we support our family, we support our friends, and that's really the reason.
Special screening of Rang De Basanti on completion of 5 years of its release.
यही दिन 5 साल पहले हमारी फिल्म रंग दे बसंती रिलीज हुई थी 26 जनवरी को. मैं बिलीव नहीं कर पा रही हूँ कि 5 साल गुजर गए, क्योंकि इसी फिल्म के शूटिंग के दौरान मैंने अपनी स्क्रिप्ट लिखी थी धोबीघाट, जो अब थिएटर्स में है।
5 साल के बाद मुझे लगता है ये पहला मौका है कि कोई भी फिल्म 5 साल के बाद उसको मतलब लोग याद करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। रंग दे बसंती एक कल्ट फिल्म है मेरे ख्याल से, और काफ़ी कुछ इस फिल्म ने दिया है अपने देश को और पूरी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को।
It's out of life, drawn out of life. I used to fly kites. मुझे तिरंगा बड़ा अच्छा लगता था kites में. Then when I went to school, there used to be a Air Force plane. I am from Bal Bharati Air Force School in Delhi, in Lodi Road. So I used to see the plane every day and dream of flying it. In fact, my daughter was asking me today, "Pa, what was your dream?" I said to become a fighter pilot.
Katrina Kaif at the book launch of Pritish Nandi.
Well, I apologize. I feel very inferior in this company, and I will try my best to read something. My hurt is but a hand that points towards you, the hushed whisper of autumn echoing in the dark. I say goodbye to your memories and journey towards this secret celebration, under the endless sky of being alone. Forgetting takes much too long. The secret swallows of my dreams wing towards the morning star as my words rain over you, stroking you into silence.
I have been freewheeling, double-dealing far too long. Rambling, gambling, chasing a song. It's been long since I met myself, after weeks and weeks of hanging around. It's been long since I paid my dues and headed homewards, searching for you.
It hurts to say I am sorry. So let us use unfamiliar words. The summer is gone. The ground is turned cold. The old road calls me back again. Another time we shall meet again, as strangers or as friends, or perhaps as lovers once again. Now turn to the rain again.
Over to It's CBC now. Rishi Kapoor speaks about his chemistry with Dimple Kapadia.
Well, we've had a long association, and it's always great to work with Dimple. She's a great actor. We both have a great understanding when we are paired together in a film. We both are always fighting also as such, you know, but we love each other very much. We respect each other's work. We respect each other. When you talk about chemistry, it's just that it's just some kind of, some kind of language that we share that really it works.
Hostel director Manish Gupta is upset with Raju Hirani. Find out why.
I immensely respect Mr. Raju Hirani because I think he's a genius, and he is a director who's made 3 hit films, 3 super hit films. But in those scenes, in those select scenes in 3 Idiots and Munna Bhai MBBS, he portrayed ragging as a joke, which was highly irresponsible of him. For example, suppose I make a film on Kasab, I make a film on 2611, and I start showing that Kasab is killing people, and I show it to be funny. I portray it in a funny manner and people are laughing. Will that be right?
That's all we have from this week's edition of your favorite show, Bollywood This Week. We leave you with the making of Dil To Bachcha Hai Ji. Hope you like it.
Start sound. Action. Correct. One more.
Take 2.
Clap. Action. Rinto.
Till next week then, take loads and loads of care, guys. Have fun. Bye-bye. Bollywood Hungama News Network.